Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican-style pasta salad. This delightful dish is a staple at many gatherings, known for its vibrant flavors and satisfying texture. We will cover everything from selecting the right pasta to crafting that signature creamy dressing. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a truly memorable side dish or light meal that everyone will love. It is a fantastic way to bring a taste of the Caribbean to your table. First, let's get our main components ready. You will want to cook about 16 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions, ensuring it remains firm to the bite. Rinse it with cold water immediately after cooking to stop the process and prevent sticking. While the pasta cools, finely dice your fresh vegetables, including 1 large bell pepper, 1 small onion, and 2 stalks of celery. Also, prepare your chosen protein, like 1 can of drained tuna. Now for the heart of our Jamaican pasta salad, the dressing. In a large bowl, combine about 1½ cups of creamy mayonnaise. To this, add 1 teaspoon each of black pepper and garlic powder, along with a pinch of salt. For that distinctive sweet and tangy profile, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Whisk everything together until it is smooth and well combined, creating a rich and flavorful base. Finally, it is time to bring all these wonderful elements together. In a very large bowl, gently combine your cooled macaroni, the diced vegetables, and your prepared protein. Pour the creamy, flavorful dressing over the entire mixture. Using a large spoon, carefully toss everything until every piece is evenly coated with that delicious dressing. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the salad for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve chilled and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.